So I've started to use Audacity to begin recording sound and just audio in general. I don't have a lot of experience working with audio. I mean, not really in the digital format anyway. And it's something that I want to learn. It's something that I feel is important. And I'm hoping that by utilizing this new tool I have, maybe finding other things similar to it, I can start to branch out and start kind of to experiment and see what I can do and what I'm capable of with these different audio tools that are available. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue this recording, and then I'm going to try and manipulate it a bit and then export it to different formats and see what it sounds like. I mean, we covered this in class a little bit, but I kind of want to try and understand it on my own terms. Like, I don't have quite the knowledge that most of my classmates do, and the only way I'm really going to get this knowledge is by looking into it myself and experimenting in my own time and trying to figure it out. I mean, tutorials, there's tutorials out there that I can use and utilize, and class has been great for teaching me little bits and pieces, but in order to kind of learn about the program essentially, and learn what it's capable of, and then do that program learning, what I can do, and what I know about sound and how I can expand my knowledge on sound. It's all going to come from me. So I'm trying to experiment more and trying to look into doing more things like this. And it's difficult because I don't have quite the knowledge all my classmates do. I'm very much learning all the time, and I'm trying to keep up with everything. It's difficult at times to keep up with everything. So I'm hoping that I will be able to find the time to experiment more often, just even if it's not like, I want to try and experiment a little bit each day or every other day, and work on different programs and audio and graphic design and other information design, and plan things out. And I want to be able to do all that because I'm really interested in this field, and I'm really interested in learning more about how all these systems and different aspects of media work. So I'm very familiar with some of them, but not with all of them. So I'm hoping to expand my knowledge and start experimenting more and working more on programs that I may not necessarily have a ton of knowledge about. So this is kind of one of my first little experiments. It's not very much, but I'm hoping to kind of illustrate some differences, to me at least. I want to be able to look at this and understand why it's different and what's different about it. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to manipulate this audio and export it to 2 different formats and see what happens.